Hi, I'm Jimmy. Welcome back to another on-the-road video with ApplianceVideo.com. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage.
Okay, what we're looking at today is a RCA range. What was going on is the surface burners were not igniting. We're going to replace the spark module. Tools needed for the repair is a flat blade screwdriver and a 1/4 inch nut driver. Okay, first we're going to remove the 1/4 inch screws. There are 6 of them. Okay, then we're going to remove the back panel, push forward, and then bring it out. And here's your spark module. And basically, you're going to do it wire for wire. Okay, with all the wires attached, you're going to put it in its mount. All right. Just clips in there. Okay, then now we're going to reassemble the back panel. I took out the lower screw here just to make it a little easier to get to. And that completes the repair.
Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.